Snoring. We've all heard it, whether it's from a partner, a family member, or even ourselves. People often dismiss it as a harmless annoyance, a nighttime quirk that disrupts others more than the snorer. But did you know that snoring can actually be a sign of more serious underlying health issues? If left untreated, snoring can lead to life-threatening conditions such as sleep apnea, heart disease, and stroke. Let's examine the importance of snoring and its potential impact on your overall health. But first, we will discuss the factors that contribute to snoring. The passage of air through smooth tissues in the throat triggers snoring by causing those tissues to vibrate in response to breathing. This may occur for a variety of reasons, including allergies or a cold can block your nasal passages, increasing your likelihood of snoring. This is where the term blocked airway comes from. As they sleep, the throat muscles of the elderly can weaken and cause airway collapse. This condition is known as poor muscle tone. Sleeping position. People who sleep on their backs are more likely to snore because this position can cause the throat to relax and block airflow. Snoring is a common symptom of sleep-related sleep disorders. Snoring is more likely when neck fat presses on the airway and obstructs it. Frequent snoring is not a cause for concern for a significant number of individuals. On the other hand, if snoring becomes frequent and severe, it may indicate a more serious issue, such as obstructive sleep apnea. For the majority of people, snoring on a regular basis is not a cause for concern. Instead, snoring can be an indication of a more serious problem, such as obstructive sleep apnea, if it occurs frequently and severely. Here are 7 significant issues that can arise as a result of obstructive sleep apnea. Number 1. Sleep apnea, the hidden danger. First on the list is sleep apnea. This is more than just loud snoring. It's a serious condition where your breathing stops and starts repeatedly while you sleep. People with sleep apnea often snore loudly, but what's more dangerous is the breathing interruptions. These breathing interruptions can deprive your body of oxygen, leading to high blood pressure and other heart-related issues. Untreated, sleep apnea can even be fatal. If you or someone you know feels exhausted even after a full night's sleep and snores loudly, it's time to see a doctor. Number 2, stroke and heart disease. Snoring raises your risk of heart disease and stroke in addition to ruining your sleep. In what ways? Sleep disruption increases the strain on your heart. Over time, the high blood pressure that results from this can significantly increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Untreated snoring can have long-term effects on your cardiovascular health due to disrupted sleep patterns and continuous oxygen deprivation. Number 3, hypertension, high blood pressure. Regarding high blood pressure, snoring, especially in connection to sleep apnea, can significantly raise blood pressure. Interrupted breathing causes your body to be continuously waking, which increases your stress and may cause hypertension. As we know, hypertension raises the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other major medical issues. Number 4, daytime slowness and mistakes. Snoring disturbs your days as much as your evenings. Bad sleep can make you quite sleepy during the day. Besides being tired, extreme daytime sleepiness is dangerous. Those who are sleep deprived are more prone to being involved in mishaps, particularly while operating heavy machinery or driving. Studies reveal, in fact, that drowsy driving causes sleep apnea sufferers to be more likely to have motor vehicle accidents. Number 5, cognitive decline and difficulty concentrating. You find it more difficult to focus when you get less quality sleep. Bad sleep can compromise your cognitive ability and focus, which would make it challenging for you to operate in a classroom or workplace. If you find yourself waking up from snoring or breathing disturbances, your brain lacks the rest it needs to rejuvenate. This can cause memory issues, trouble focusing, and even compromise your ability to make decisions over time. Number 6, metabolic syndrome, the chain reaction of medical issues. Another issue associated with snoring and sleep apnea is metabolic syndrome. High blood pressure, high blood sugar, extra body fat around the waist, and abnormal cholesterol levels are among the cluster of symptoms here. When combined, these symptoms increase your risk of developing diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. Sleep apnea, in particular, contributes to metabolic syndrome by causing stress to your body during sleep. Number 7, behavior problems of children. Furthermore, affected are not only adults. Children who snore, especially those with obstructive sleep apnea, may exhibit behavior issues, including aggression or learning challenges. A child's development depends on sleep. Thus, without enough rest, they may struggle in the classroom or have problems controlling their emotions. See a doctor if your child exhibits symptoms of sleep apnea or snores regularly. The positive news is that a few basic ideas will help you treat snoring. Change your sleeping position. Try sleeping on your side instead of your back to prevent your tongue and soft tissues from folding into your airway. Lose weight. Losing even a small amount of weight will help those who are overweight lessen the fatty tissue around their neck and throat, which fuels snoring. Treat nasal congestion. Do this before going to bed. If nasal congestion is causing your snoring, consider using a humidifier, nasal strips, or saline spray. These methods can help keep your airways clear and promote better airflow during sleep. By addressing nasal congestion, you may significantly reduce the likelihood of snoring. Alcohol aggravates snoring by relaxing the muscles in your throat before bed. Try not to have alcohol at least 2 hours before bed. Smoking aggravates your throat and might worsen your snoring. Along with helping with snoring, quitting smoking will boost your general health. See a doctor if your snoring is severe or accompanied by shortness of breath during sleep. A sleep study can determine whether sleep apnea is the underlying cause. Oral appliances or a continuous positive airway pressure machine can help keep the airway open. Snoring is not only annoying, usually it indicates that your general health or sleep pattern is not quite normal. Regardless of the condition, obstructive sleep apnea or another one, you should take snoring seriously. Recognizing the hazards and getting treatment will help you protect your heart, enhance your sleep, and lower your long-term health risk. Therefore, keep in mind that the next time someone jokes about your snoring, it may be a sign that your body needs assistance. Act and treat yourself to improved health and sleep. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and click the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.